In the vast expanse of space, where the stars twinkle and the vacuum silence reigns, there lies a cosmic conundrum that has puzzled astronauts for decades. How does one scratch their nose while floating weightlessly in the void of the universe? Fear not, fellow Earthlings, for our intrepid space explorers have found a solution that is both ingenious and, dare we say, nose-ticklingly hilarious. Picture this: an astronaut bravely navigating the cosmos, suddenly struck by the urge to scratch their nose. A dilemma of astronomical proportions, one might think. But fear not, dear readers, because NASA and its interstellar counterparts have devised a solution that is nothing short of out of this world. The Nose-Scratchinator 3000, patent pending. Yes, you read that right. The Nose-Scratchinator 3000 is not a product from a late-night infomercial, but a top-secret gadget built into astronauts' helmets to tackle the cosmic itch that knows no bounds. This space-age scratching marvel is carefully concealed within the helmet's lining, ready to deploy at the slightest hint of an itch-induced crisis. Now, you might be wondering, why is nose scratching such a pressing issue in space? Well, fellow Earth dwellers, the absence of gravity in the Great Vacuum means that traditional nose-scratching maneuvers are rendered ineffective. Imagine trying to scratch an itch with your hand, only to find yourself spinning uncontrollably like a cosmic breakdancer. It's a scene straight out of a sci-fi sitcom. Enter the Nose-Scratchinator 3000, the hero astronauts never knew they needed. This device, designed with the precision of a rocket launch, is equipped with a specialized extendable arm that can reach even the most elusive itches. Think Inspector Gadget, but for your nasal needs. The astronauts simply press a discreet button on their spacesuit, and voila, the Nose-Scratchinator 3000 deploys, saving the day and providing sweet relief to that persistent interstellar itch. In a recent press conference, NASA spokesperson Dr. Stella Nebula shared insights into the development of this groundbreaking technology. Our astronauts are the best and brightest, but even they can't escape the universal itch. The Nose-Scratchinator 3000 ensures that no space explorer has to suffer the indignity of an unscratched nose while conquering the final frontier. The intergalactic humor doesn't stop there. Rumor has it that astronauts have even turned nose scratching into a zero-gravity sport. Unconfirmed reports suggest that the International Space Station now hosts an annual Nasal Olympics, where astronauts compete to see who can deploy the Nose-Scratchinator 3000 with the most style and finesse. So, the next time you gaze at the stars and ponder the mysteries of the universe, remember that even astronauts face the cosmic conundrum of the irresistible nose itch. Thanks to the Nose-Scratchinator 3000, they can boldly go where no scratch has gone before. And they do it with a wink and a nod to the interstellar absurdity of it all. After all, in the vastness of space, a good laugh is the best way to keep gravity at bay.